Reinforcing an exterior door can stop most forced entry attempts when done correctly. Start by choosing the right reinforcement strategy based on door type, frame material, and hinge placement. Solid core or metal doors accept longer screws and reinforce strike plates better than hollow core doors, so if you have a hollow core door, consider replacing it first. Use structural screws that are at least 3 inches long through the strike plate into the wall stud rather than standard short sheet metal screws. This moves load into framing, not drywall. Install a reinforced strike plate or a door jamb reinforcement kit, aligning it so the latch and deadbolt penetrate cleanly without binding. For hinge reinforcement, swap short screws for 3-inch screws through the hinge into the framing and consider adding a hinge side reinforcement plate if the gap between door and frame is large. When fitting a door reinforcement kit, follow manufacturer torque and clearance specifications and chisel or route precise mortises so hardware sits flush. Poor alignment causes binding, which compromises both security and egress. Finally, confirm local building codes for means of egress and fire safety do not get violated by added hardware, and if you are unsure, consult a licensed tradesperson for plan review. Common mistakes include relying on short screws that pull out of drywall, so always use 3-inch structural screws anchoring into studs to prevent that failure. Another frequent issue is installing reinforcement that prevents the door from closing or locking smoothly, which you avoid by carefully mortising hardware, testing latch travel, and adjusting strike plate position in small increments. A third concern is neglecting code or permit requirements. So check with your city or county building department before starting, and save yourself rework by obtaining any required permits and following manufacturer instructions for compliant fitting. We operate bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like door reinforcement. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share real-world experiences, questions, and practical tips.